Hello viewers, you are welcome to Uncle Vincent Online Maths. In today's video, we shall solve this NECO past question on change of subject of formula. You are to make y the subject of the formula t is equal to w plus wy square over pz, and hence find the value of y if p is 5, z is 10, t is 9 and w is equal to 3. Solution. A variable is made the subject of formula or the subject of an equation if we are able to separate all other variables from it so that it stands alone on one side of that equation or formula. So y becomes the subject of this equation if we separate all other variables from y so that y stands alone on one side of this equation. So we proceed as follows. We have t is equal to w plus wy square all over pz. We first subtract w from both sides. So if we do this, we have t minus w. This will be equal to wy square over pz. Next, we cross and multiply. This can be written as t minus w over 1. So at this point, we cross and multiply. So if we do that, 1 times wy square will be wy square. And pz times this will be equal to pz bracket t minus w. Since we are targeting y to stand alone on one side of this equation, we divide both sides by w. So this is over w. So w will cancel out. We'll be left with y squared is equal to pz into t minus w, bracket close, all over w. But we are asked to find y, to make y the subject and not y squared. So to remove this square, we take the square root of both sides. So this is square root of this side. So the square root goes with the square, and you have y to be equal to square root of pz into t minus w, bracket close, all over w. So y becomes the subject of the formula. We are further asked to find the value of y. If p is 5, z is 10, t is equal to 9, and w is equal to 3. To do this, we simply substitute the values into the final equation. So if we are substituting these values here, we'll have y to be equal to square root. Remember, we are using this formula. P is 5, so this will be 5 times z is 10, so this will be 10. Bracket open, t is 9, so you have 9 minus w is 3 all over w, which is 3. So you have y to be equal to square root of 5 times 10 is 50. 9 minus 3 is 6, so this is 5 times 6 all over 3. Then y will be equal to 50 times 6 is 300 over 3. And this will be equal to square root of 300 over 3 is 100. So square root of 100 is 10. So y is equal to 10. Thanks for watching.